Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you some really easy ways to germinate seeds at home. Whether you're a farmer, a gardener, or just starting your little veggie garden, these tips will help your seeds grow faster and healthier. And don't worry, it's super simple. Before we start, let's quickly talk about why germination is important. Germination is basically when a seed starts to grow into a tiny plant. If you do this step right, your plants will have a strong start, which means better growth and more crops later on. Sound good, right? Okay, first method, probably the easiest one, the paper towel method. Here's what you do. Take a clean paper towel and wet it with water. It should be damp, not soaking. Place your seeds on the towel and fold it over. Put the towel in a plastic bag or container to keep it moist. Keep it somewhere warm, like on top of the fridge or a sunny windowsill. Check the seeds every day. In a few days, you'll see tiny sprouts popping out. Once they're about 1 to 2 centimeters long, you can carefully plant them in soil. Next is the water soak method. This works great for bigger seeds like beans or peas. Just put your seeds in a small bowl of water and let them soak overnight. After soaking, you'll see some seeds may start swelling. That's a good sign they're ready to plant. Then, plant them in soil, water lightly, and watch them grow. This method can speed up germination because it softens the seed coat and makes it easier for the seed to sprout. Finally, if you don't want to do anything fancy, you could just plant your seeds directly in soil, but with a little trick. Make sure the soil is warm and slightly moist. You can cover the container with plastic wrap to keep the moisture in. Keep the soil warm and check daily. This method works best for seeds like tomatoes, peppers, and herbs. It's basically natural germination, but gives your seeds a head start. Please subscribe, like, and share for more tips.